Want to know the best ways to attract clients for your parent coaching business? If you're embarking on your coaching journey and wondering where to begin, I've got some invaluable advice for you, especially if you're considering becoming a parenting coach. Today, I'm going to share the ultimate strategy to kickstart your coaching career and attract all the clients you need. So let's dive right in. The first and best place to start is within your local community. Look for opportunities because they are everywhere that allow you to connect with people in real life and engage with parents face-to-face. Go to local events, workshops, collaborate with your local schools. These personal interactions work wonders and are really the fastest path to clients for our parent coaches. Now, don't get me wrong, the online world is undoubtedly a treasure trove of opportunities too. However, building a client base online is going to take longer and it's going to take some effort. So at the beginning, I highly recommend that you focus on establishing a strong presence in your immediate community. Consider offering free workshops, lending a helping hand at school events, and positioning yourself as the go-to parenting coach in your area. By doing so, you'll establish trust, credibility, and create a solid foundation for your coaching career. Plus, you'll gain so much confidence. Remember, patience is key as you build any business. As you gain experience and build more confidence, you can gradually expand your reach to the online realm. Utilizing digital platforms like this one and your website, you'll be able to attract clients from all over the world. If you found these tips helpful, drop a comment and share your thoughts. And if you're eager to receive more coaching insights and parenting tips, be sure to follow us here at Jai. Good luck as you consider a journey which just might change your life.